In a country as vast and diverse as the United States, there are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. While popular tourist destinations like New York City, Los Angeles, and the Grand Canyon attract millions of visitors each year, there are lesser-known destinations that offer unique experiences and a chance to escape the crowds. From secluded beaches to charming small towns, here are some off-the-beaten-path destinations to consider for your travels in 2024. Number 5. Marfa, Texas. Nestled amidst the vast and arid expanse of West Texas, Marfa emerges as a captivating oasis for creatives, explorers, and those yearning for a respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Despite its modest size, this small town has garnered widespread acclaim for its thriving art scene, which manifests in the form of eclectic galleries, avant-garde studios, and thought-provoking installations peppered throughout its sun-soaked streets. Here, artists from all walks of life converge, drawn by the boundless inspiration offered by Marfa's stark yet mesmerizing landscape. Yet, beyond the realm of artistic expression lies a mystery that has captivated the imaginations of countless visitors: the enigmatic Marfa lights. Illuminating the night sky with their eerie glow, these spectral phenomena have defied explanation for generations, inviting speculation and wonder from scientists and spectators alike. Against the backdrop of rugged mountains and endless horizons, Marfa exudes an aura of tranquility and introspection, inviting travelers to immerse themselves in its serene embrace. Whether wandering through its vibrant galleries, chasing the elusive lights, or simply basking in the quiet beauty of the desert, Marfa offers an unparalleled experience for those willing to venture off the beaten path. Number 4. Asheville, North Carolina. Nestled within the embrace of the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville emerges as a vibrant jewel, celebrated for its rich tapestry of culture, culinary delights, and breathtaking landscapes. This bustling city pulses with an eclectic energy, drawing visitors from far and wide to revel in its unique charms. Steeped in history, Asheville boasts the stately Biltmore Estate, a grand architectural masterpiece that offers a glimpse into the opulent past of the Vanderbilt family. Yet, beyond its storied halls, Asheville beckons adventurers to explore the untamed beauty of the surrounding wilderness. Hiking enthusiasts can traverse the winding trails of the Blue Ridge Parkway, each step revealing panoramic vistas and hidden waterfalls that stir the soul. Meanwhile, Epicureans delight in the city's burgeoning food scene, where farm-to-table fare and innovative culinary creations abound. Amidst the bustling streets, a thriving craft beer culture awaits, with an array of breweries offering a tantalizing array of flavors to suit every palate. From leisurely strolls through vibrant neighborhoods to heart-pounding outdoor excursions, Asheville offers an irresistible blend of experiences that promise to captivate and inspire. With its harmonious fusion of cultural treasures and natural wonders, Asheville stands as the perfect destination for those seeking a truly unforgettable getaway. Number 3. Taos, New Mexico. Nestled amidst the rugged high desert of northern New Mexico, Taos stands as a hidden gem, its rich tapestry of history and culture woven into the very fabric of the land. Here, amidst the stark beauty of the desert landscape, the historic Taos Pueblo stands as a testament to centuries of tradition and resilience. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this ancient pueblo has been inhabited for over a millennium, its adobe buildings offering a glimpse into the lives of the Native American tribes who have called this place home for generations. Visitors are invited to wander through the labyrinthine streets, marveling at the intricate craftsmanship of the architecture and learning about traditional crafts passed down through the ages. Yet Taos is more than just a window into the past. It is a vibrant hub of creativity and expression. The town's thriving art scene pulses with energy, with galleries and studios showcasing the work of local artists who draw inspiration from the land and its rich cultural heritage. From vivid paintings to intricate pottery, The art of Taos reflects the soul of the Southwest, capturing the essence of this unique corner of the world. For those drawn to the great outdoors, Taos offers a playground of adventure, with rugged mountains, sweeping vistas, and endless skies beckoning adventurers to explore. Hiking, skiing, and rafting are just a few of the outdoor pursuits available, providing endless opportunities to connect with the natural beauty that surrounds. Whether you come for the history, the art, or the adventure, Taos offers an unforgettable experience that will leave a lasting impression on your soul. Amidst the timeless beauty of the desert landscape, the spirit of Taos lives on, inviting visitors to discover the magic of this enchanting corner of the world. Number 2. Olympic National Park, Washington. Nestled within the remote reaches of the Olympic Peninsula in Washington state, Olympic National Park beckons to those who seek solace amidst the embrace of untouched wilderness and awe-inspiring vistas. A sanctuary for nature lovers and adventurers alike, this sprawling expanse of protected land encompasses a diverse tapestry of ecosystems, from verdant rainforests to windswept coastlines and towering mountain peaks. For those yearning to wander amidst the ancient giants of the forest, Olympic National Park offers an unparalleled opportunity to immerse oneself in the lush tranquility of old-growth forests. Here, towering trees reach skyward, their moss-draped branches forming a verdant canopy overhead, while verdant ferns carpet the forest floor in a vibrant tapestry of green. Trails wind their way through this enchanted realm, inviting visitors to embark on a journey of exploration and discovery. Beyond the sheltering embrace of the forest, the rugged coastline of Olympic National Park beckons, its windswept shores and rocky cliffs a testament to the untamed power of the sea. Secluded beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, their pristine sands lapped by the restless waves of the Pacific Ocean. Here, amidst the timeless rhythm of the tide, one can find solace in the symphony of crashing waves and calling seabirds, a reminder of the enduring beauty and resilience of the natural world. For those seeking a more lofty perspective, Olympic National Park offers the opportunity to ascend into the realm of the mountains, where snow-capped peaks pierce the sky and alpine meadows burst forth in a riot of color. Hiking trails wind their way through this rugged terrain, offering breathtaking views of glacier-carved valleys, sparkling alpine lakes, and cascading waterfalls. In the embrace of Olympic National Park, visitors can find a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, where the quietude of the wilderness and the majesty of the natural world conspire to nourish the soul and ignite the spirit of adventure. Here, amidst the remote beauty of the Olympic Peninsula, one can find solace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of wonder in the boundless wonders of the natural world. Number 1. Sedona, Arizona. Tucked away amidst the rugged beauty of the Arizona desert, Sedona beckons travelers with its striking red rock formations and palpable aura of spiritual energy. A hidden gem nestled within the heart of the Southwest, this enchanting destination captivates the imagination and soothes the soul with its timeless beauty and profound sense of serenity. For outdoor enthusiasts, Sedona offers a veritable paradise of exploration, with countless hiking trails winding their way through the surrounding landscape. From leisurely strolls along meandering creeks to challenging ascents up steep canyon walls, each path promises breathtaking views and encounters with the natural wonders that define this remarkable region. Towering rock formations rise majestically against the backdrop of the desert sky, their crimson hues illuminated by the warm glow of the sun, while scenic overlooks offer sweeping vistas of the rugged terrain below. Yet Sedona's allure extends beyond its awe-inspiring landscapes to encompass a vibrant arts community that thrives amidst the arid beauty of the desert. Galleries, shops, and studios dot the streets of the town, showcasing the inspired creations of local artists who draw inspiration from the land and its mystical energy. From vibrant paintings to intricate sculptures, each piece reflects the unique spirit of Sedona, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of creativity that permeates the area. But perhaps the true essence of Sedona lies in its profound sense of spiritual energy, which is said to resonate throughout the land and draw seekers from far and wide in search of enlightenment and renewal. Whether through meditation, yoga, or simply communing with nature, Sedona offers a sanctuary for those seeking to reconnect with themselves and the world around them, inviting a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. In the heart of the Arizona desert, Sedona offers a truly unique and unforgettable experience, where the timeless beauty of the land converges with the boundless creativity of the human spirit. Whether seeking outdoor adventure or a spiritual retreat, visitors to Sedona are sure to find themselves enchanted by the magic of this extraordinary destination. Conclusion: while popular tourist destinations often steal the spotlight, there are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered across the United States. From the rugged desert landscapes of Marfa, Texas, to the lush rainforests of Olympic National Park, these off-the-beaten-path destinations offer a chance to escape the crowds and experience the beauty and diversity of America's landscapes and cultures. So why not step off the beaten path and explore something new in 2024?